What is Kadena KDA? The best cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Other coins are only following suit of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But some coins want to break the barrier set by the royalty and establish their own through the market. Kadena is an example of this. But what is Kadena? How does KDA work? Is KDA a good investment? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Kadena KDA is. So be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Kadena is live with a hybrid public and permissioned blockchain. Its public blockchain is a braided, high-throughput proof-of-work system that improves throughput and scalability while maintaining the security and integrity found in Bitcoin. Kadena is all about being fast, secure, and straightforward. Delivering on these key promises has brought success, as Kadena is already being used by major finance, healthcare, and insurance companies. Kadena uses proof-of-work to power their blockchain. Sure, we all know about the problems usually associated with POW. Relying on proof-of-work usually means slow transactions and a low throughput. Kadena has found a way around these problems, allowing them to operate efficiently with POW. Essentially, Kadena figure out how to shard proof-of-work. This solves the scaling issue, and after all, it is the only protocol that has been validated in the market. Kadena was founded on the idea that blockchain could revolutionize how the world interacts and transacts. But to get to mass adoption, chain technology and the ecosystem connecting it to the business world needed to be reimagined from the ground up. The founders of KDA built a proprietary chain architecture and created the tools to make blockchain work for business at speed, scale, and energy efficiency previously thought unachievable. Kadena's stellar team comes from a background in banking. Kadena's CEO, Will Martino, has earned a reputation for delivering unique insights into the world of permission and hybrid blockchain. Before founding Kadena, Will worked in JP Morgan's Blockchain Center of Excellence and Kadena's co-founder, Stuart Popejoy. The KDA team also has a strong technical leader with over a decade of experience in the defense industry software development. They spearheaded the company's first blockchain, Juno. Before JP Morgan, Will worked as the tech lead for the Cryptocurrency Committee at the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, a software engineer for Axial Market, and in client services at ION Trading. In short, they know what solutions the biggest industries need and how to build them. Kadena provides high performance and scalability because of its blockchain. Its chain follows a concept of double chain work. Kadena is unique in its blocks and hashes woven together between the chains. The transactions on Kadena are very cheap compared to the ETH chain. The chain provides zero transaction fees, which are very attractive for many users. Removing the fees helps businesses serve their customers effectively. Kadena solves a variety of problems that continue to hinder large-scale blockchain adoption. For one, it helps to reduce inefficiencies due to interoperability across industries. The network's multi-layer structure enables it to unite public applications, private blockchains, and other networks securely and seamlessly. One of the main issues that Kadena wanted to reduce is network congestion and scalability concerns. The world's top-performing dApp ecosystem and blockchain, Ethereum, currently suffers from network congestion. This congestion resulted in record-high gas fees throughout the year. Kadena users avoid these issues thanks to the unique technical structure of the protocol. Kadena braids multiple blockchains that share the same cryptocurrency to provide vertical scalability beyond other POW networks. This strategy enables it to expand or contract to meet the community's needs. Notably, Kadena's public blockchain performed a live network expansion from 10 chains to 20 chains in 2020 to demonstrate this capability to the market. KDA is the native cryptocurrency of the Kadena platform, which is used to pay for the Kadena services provided. The total supply is 1 billion tokens that are to be mined over 120 years. 70% allocated to miners, 20% for the providers, 7% for investors, and the rest is for the contributors. Token schedules and allocation are designed to provide sustainability. Kadena is generated through mining. Existing coins can be used in 3 ways. Mining is incentivized by rewards for each block, which will decrease gradually over the years. The total Kadena coin in the economy is 990 million, meaning 1 billion launched coins minus 10 million burned at the launch. The Kadena price has rallied in the past few weeks, creating higher highs in the daily chart. Today, the closing price of the Kadena coin has tested a high of $20.37, and the average daily volume is hiked from a daily average of 3 million to more than $300 million. The recent launch of wrapped Kadena coin on the Ethereum network, rollout of non-fungible tokens, the new listing is the reason behind the recent Kadena price action. At the time this video is uploaded, the price of Kadena is $13.70, with a 24-hour trading volume of $58,533,490. The current coin market cap ranking is number 65, with a live market cap of $2,204,280,699. It has a circulating supply of 160,862,482 KDA coins and a max supply of 1 billion KDA coins. The historical data shows Kadena's price could beat the predictions of 2021 and register new highs. The future forecast system is more bullish on digital assets than money market instruments and fiat currencies. Individual investors and institutional investors are also looking for profitable future investments in cryptocurrencies. Kadena coin price is predicted to begin at $28, eventually recover to $30. Based on our KDA forecast, the price of Kadena will touch a maximum price of $33 within 1 year. The average price of Kadena KDA might be around $31. Users should invest at the current price levels to earn hefty returns and overall portfolio growth. Kadena KDA is extremely bullish and expected to reach $30 by the end of November. As per the current market status, the price of Kadena is predicted to face a slight price correction, and hence, according to forecasts, experts give sell Kadena sign to traders for the year. The minimum price could be $27 by the end of the year. In the previous reports, Kadena got 2 positives and 2 pessimistic predictions. However, the Kadena KDA coin seems to have outperformed the earlier forecasts in no time, to rise to a new all-time high on November 8, 2021, when the coin was trading over $25. Since cryptocurrency predictions are extremely difficult and there is a great chance that they might not turn out to be true, investors shall take all decisions at their sole discretion and after carefully analyzing the market. That being said, Kadena coin is not a good investment for those who are looking to book profits in a short time, as its value is predicted to fall down. The smart contract industry has seen strong growth this year. While Ethereum is still in a pole position, other smaller networks are gaining momentum. Most of these competing projects are attempting to win by building platforms that are easy to use and relatively faster. While Ethereum is a good smart contract platform, it has its limitations and challenges. For example, it is one of the slowest smart contracts in the market today. It can process less than 20 transactions per second. Its transactions are also relatively expensive. Newer projects like Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Algorand are better than Ethereum in a number of ways. They are faster, cheaper to transact, and are highly interoperable with other chains. This is also the claim being made by Kadena. Kadena is a smart contract platform that enables developers to build quality projects for starters. The main reason why developers are turning to it is the relatively lower cost and blazingly fast speeds. For example, while Solana can handle about 2,000 transactions per second, Kadena can process about 480,000. Kadena uses a smart contract known as a pact. It describes pact as a human-readable Turing incomplete smart contract language purpose-built for blockchains with powerful security features. This makes it one of the best platforms today. Still, the challenge is that Kadena is still relatively new, faces intense competition, and has no significant platforms to show. This means that there are no major blockchain projects built on Kadena. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Kadena altcoin? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.